Here's a 2019 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. Features include automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, parking distance warning, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay standalone navigation app, smart liftgate, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Welcome to King Volkswagen, the king of Volkswagen. We're conveniently located at 979 North Frederick Avenue in Gaithersburg. We look forward to serving you.